10 secrets to achieve financial freedom sooner than you think. Welcome back to your Finance Lab. Financial freedom isn't just a dream, it's a goal that anyone can achieve with the right mindset and strategies. Imagine living life on your terms, free from financial stress, and focusing on what truly matters to you. In today's video, we're sharing 10 secrets to help you achieve financial freedom sooner than you think. These are actionable steps that will put you in control of your money and accelerate your journey to independence. Stick around until the end for a bonus secret that's often overlooked but incredibly powerful. Let's dive in. Secret 1. Start with a clear vision. Financial freedom begins with clarity. Define what financial independence means to you. Is it retiring early, starting a business, or traveling the world? Your vision will guide your goals and keep you motivated. A clear vision is your roadmap to success. Actionable tips. Write down your definition of financial freedom and why it matters to you. Set a specific financial freedom target, like your FIRE, Financial Independence Retire Early number. Create a vision board or digital reminder to stay inspired. Secret 2. Track your spending and income. To achieve financial freedom, you need to know where your money is going. Tracking your spending helps you identify wasteful habits and opportunities to save or invest. It's not about judgment, it's about awareness. You can't fix what you don't measure. Actionable tips. Use apps like Mint, YNAB, or spreadsheets to track every dollar. Categorize your expenses into needs, wants, and savings. Review your spending weekly or monthly to ensure you're staying on track. Secret 3. Pay yourself first. This simple habit is one of the most powerful wealth-building tools. Paying yourself first means prioritizing saving and investing before spending on anything else. Treat it like a mandatory bill you owe your future self. This is how you build wealth consistently. Actionable tips. Automate a percentage of your paycheck into a savings or investment account. Start with 10 to 20% of your income and increase it as you grow. Set up separate accounts for short-term savings and long-term investments. Secret 4. Eliminate high-interest debt. Debt with high interest rates can slow your progress toward financial freedom. The sooner you pay it off, the sooner you can redirect that money toward building wealth. Freedom from debt is the first step to true independence. Actionable tips. List all your debts, their balances, and interest rates. Use the avalanche method, paying off the highest interest first, or the snowball method, smallest balance first, to pay them down. Avoid taking on new high-interest debt while you're paying off existing balances. Secret 5. Live below your means. One of the biggest secrets to achieving financial freedom is spending less than you earn. This doesn't mean depriving yourself, it means being intentional about your spending and avoiding lifestyle inflation. The gap between your income and expenses is where wealth is built. Actionable tips. Regularly review your expenses to identify areas where you can cut back. Avoid increasing your spending when you get a raise, save or invest the extra income instead. Focus on quality over quantity when making purchases. Secret 6. Build multiple streams of income. Relying on a single paycheck is risky, especially in today's fast-changing economy. Financially free individuals create multiple income streams through side hustles, investments, and passive income opportunities. More income streams mean more financial security. Actionable tips. Start a side hustle that aligns with your skills or passions. Explore passive income sources like dividend stocks. Explore passive income sources like rental properties. Explore passive income sources like digital products. Reinvest additional income into savings, debt repayment, or investments. Secret 7. Invest for the long term. Saving alone won't make you financially free. You need to invest your money to grow it over time. The earlier you start, the more you benefit from compound interest. Focus on long-term growth rather than quick wins. Investing is how your money works for you. Actionable tips. Open a brokerage account or retirement account like a 401k or Roth IRA. Start with low-cost index funds or ETFs for diversification. Set up automatic contributions to your investment accounts to stay consistent. Secret 8. Protect your wealth. Building wealth is one thing, protecting it is another. Financially free individuals safeguard their assets with insurance, diversification, and estate planning. This ensures their hard work isn't undone by unexpected events. Wealth protection is a cornerstone of financial freedom. Actionable tips. Ensure you have adequate insurance coverage, including health, life, and property insurance. Diversify your investments across different asset classes to reduce risk. Create a will or trust to ensure your assets are distributed according to your wishes. Secret 9. Keep learning about money. Financial freedom requires financial literacy. The more you know about budgeting, investing, and wealth-building strategies, the better equipped you'll be to make informed decisions. Knowledge is the key to confidence and success. Actionable tips. Dedicate time each month to reading finance books or taking online courses. Follow trusted blogs, podcasts, and YouTube channels like Your Finance Lab to stay informed. Experiment with small financial strategies to apply what you've learned. Secret 10. Stay consistent and patient. Achieving financial freedom doesn't happen overnight. It's the result of small, consistent actions over time. Successful people focus on steady progress, even when the results aren't immediate. Patience is the secret weapon of the financially free. Actionable tips. Create a routine for managing your finances, like reviewing your budget and investments monthly. Celebrate milestones like paying off a debt or reaching a savings target. Remind yourself that every small step brings you closer to your goal. Bonus secret. Focus on your why. Your why is your motivation for achieving financial freedom. Whether it's providing for your family, pursuing your passions, or escaping financial stress, staying connected to your purpose keeps you focused and inspired. Your why is what drives your success. Actionable tips. Reflect on the reasons financial freedom is important to you. Write down your why and revisit it when you feel discouraged. Share your goals with trusted friends or family for accountability. Financial freedom isn't just for the wealthy or lucky, it's a goal anyone can achieve with the right strategies and mindset. By following these 10 secrets, you'll take control of your money, accelerate your journey, and start living life on your terms. Which secret will you start applying today? Let us know in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tips from your finance lab. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.